Just a touch of your love is enough to knock me off of my feet. Oh, wait. Just a touch of your love. Just a touch of your love. Just a touch of your love is enough to take control of my whole body. Just a touch of your love.
What do you want, mommy, to cook?
I want oatmeal.
Oatmeal.
I want that. Wait. Wait.
Try first, Gio. You wait.
I said you will get ball and you will get
Ball?
Yes.
Ball.
Ball just
What bowl? You say bowl.
ball just like this.
Okay, and then
And then you will put the oatmeal now.
what's oatmeal? You say daw?
Oatmeal. Oatmeal.
Oatmeal.
Oatmeal.
Yes.
You will get oatmeal and put in this now. This one.
Oh, and then
And then you will get a milk.
Then?
And then you will get sugar too. And you will get water for it's not hot.
okay, and then
And then it's delicious now.
okay.
Now.
Okay, Chio, go. No, you talk na, Chio. Sit down, Chio. Sit down. Okay, what did you say?
What? And this one a bowl.
Oh, that's a bowl, and then sit down.
Juice.
You want juice, and then
This one a water.
water. You want also water. Oh, no, and then eat.
Mommy, wait. I have an idea.
Okay, ito pa siya. Sit, Chio. Chio.
Okay. I will.
Some sugar. You put also sugar.
The
Okay.
bowl. This one a bowl.
Okay, you put sa bowl. Okay, and then
And Hello Kitty.
Hello Kitty.
Yeah, it's put here Hello Kitty.
Okay.
Now
you
you're
put
done.
Hello Kitty. No, it's not yet. And then what else?
And bag.
A bag.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then put in the bag
Oh,
first.
what's inside the bag?
Yes, bag.
Okay, okay. Quiet na. Si ate na.
Mommy.
Okay, okay.
Mommy. Now we can brush our teeth.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, now wait.
Try first.
No.
Unsa man?
Mommy, me
Okay,
first.
okay, okay.
Now, mommy, we will brush our teeth if we want to eat candies. We will brush all these teeth
Okay.
if we want to eat candies.
Okay.
And we cannot eat candies anymore. That's not healthy. We can eat also fruits and vegetables.
Very good. What do you want to eat? Vegetables?
Because I love eggplant.
Eggplant. What else?
This one too.
Okay, what else?
Potato.
Potato. And then, sige daw, yung potato. Let me see daw.
Where's the potato?
Here.
Mommy, let me try it. Let me try it.
Okay, sige. Okay, very good. What else is it? Cabbage. It has cabbage. Is it cabbage?
No. I'm not eating cabbage. I will
You told mommy you eat fruits and vegetables. Oh, one lang. Oh, this one.
Okay.
Very good.
And what else?
Hindi pa na siya. It's mommy's favorite, the cabbage. Ibawin ko sa sabaw. It's tasty.
It's tasty.
Okay, are you done? Are you done eating?
Yes. But mommy, you Hello Kitty.
Okay, Gio.
Mommy.
Yes.
We will buy toys. We will order our food. We will order these toys. This car just like that, a police car, just smaller. And me, I want Kimchi Kitchen. Let's go to Shopee.
Do you have money?
No, we can also go this now. The Shopee. We can also go to Shopee because we have no toys. Our toys is broken.
Bakit kayo mo toys? But first you should have money.
Yes.
Oh.
Yes.
Mommy's working para have money.
Okay, we can buy anything. What should we want?
Not now.
Why? We cannot.
What did mommy tell you?
Don't
Don't
buy
buy-
any
yes.
anything.
Why? Because?
There's a coronavirus.
What?
Coronavirus.
And then saving money for
For this work, we're gonna go in the DNR.
DNR.
We're gonna go in the
Oh, what do
DNR.
we do with all our money?
Let's go to the car and then we're gonna go get some money in the DNR.
In the DNR?
Yes.
DNR will pay money.
Yes, not in the work in the DNR and we can
If mommy will work.
Yes,
Mommy
just
will work, no money.
yes, no work, not work, mommy. Just me, daddy and me. I will waiting in the car and we will park.
You will be waiting.
Yes,
And then?
and then you will go like that, and then there's some money. You can always
Okay, that's in the ATM.
yes,
ATM.
you can go in the ATM.
Yes, it's not DNR, it's land bank.
I know it's land.
Yes.
You can go in the land bank, okay?
Okay.
And then you will get all the money.
Diba I told you we will not buy toys because we will buy a big what?
Big food.
No,
What?
big.
Big
We will build a
house.
Diba I told you?
Yes, it does. Because we have no home.
Yes.
We'll stay outside. It's so very rain.
It's a very ring.
Yes, then you will cook.
But we have a home.
Me first. When you will cook, where you will just open. Just
Open.
over there,
Yeah.
the fire. You will. What do you want to cook? Or you will cook a chicken and you will cook a pancit canton and chicken.
And then?
And then there's a fire and then maybe we will build our house with we will build our house with woods
Yes.
because we have no home.
We have a home. We just don't have a house, our own house.
We have no house because there's a fire and then our food is not here. Maybe we can plant now
Okay, we can plant. We are planting because
because we have no food. What should we cook now?
No.
That's okay. We'll eat all now.
we will eat the gulay.
And-
Mommy planted the gulay.
Yes,
So you better eat gulay.
yes, I will. Now we have no fun. We should make a pan.
Pan.
Yes,
I will bake a pan.
yes. Now we're in the woods now.
Woods.
Now we have no
When you
home.
finish eating ate?
It's done.
No, not yet. No, there's a rice.
There's a rice, okay.
Are you
Mommy,
not eating
yes, I'm so very tired.
Mommy, you're so tired. Mommy's also tired listening to Shy Shy.
I'm so tired.
Oh, you drink the water.
Mommy, let's go inside over there.
Okay. You take a bath na ate?
What?
Wala, take a bath.
No, take a bath.
Okay. You brush your teeth.
What?
You brush your teeth.
What? This water will be okay.